What's up, crypto fiends? Your boy Digital Banks here. I'm back at it again. I'm bringing out White Rock. It's been a day off. Been busy working, taking all my time up. But we gotta work. We gotta work to pay ourselves first, right? So please, guys, like and subscribe to the channel. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, right? Nothing's guaranteed in investments. Let's see what's going on with White Rock. It's been a couple days since I touched base with you guys. Um, Not much going on really right now, but we had our meeting a couple days ago. Our on Twitter X, we had Max G talk about what's new, what's going on with the updates, and he was just letting everybody know that you're here safe and sound with White Rock. You have no worries uh, about where your coins are. You guys are a scam. You don't have to worry about anything. You guys aren't transparent enough. It's a lot of scams on Twitter and X, guys. They're making fake news for us to keep, promoting the coin. And who knows if it's real or fake, but some things aren't real, and we shouldn't take them personally and start, raving about the new news, and we haven't heard it from Max G and White Rock themselves. Okay, so let's relax. Let's play it cool. Let's keep doing what we're supposed to do. Let's transfer our White Rock over to WHITENET. Max G is saying that he can't stress it enough for us to just swap over your WHITENET, because White Rock token was at a billion, like billion and a half, and now it's under a billion at $734 million in market cap at 3073. So what do you guys think is going on? Somebody's buying, but then they're selling it. Okay, they're not holding. He said he don't want us to hold it because it's already hit a billion really fast. So it's WHITENET's turn to hit a billion really fast. So guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the comments below. Tell me what y'all think. What's going on behind the scenes with White Rock? Right? You see this big old. I think White Rock's gonna come back up. They said White Rock ain't going nowhere. Right? It ain't going nowhere. That's the token for the protocol. The protocol is going to keep getting better over time. So if I was y'all, I guess I would just buy some White Rock and hold it. Matter of fact, I'm going to buy some White Rock and put it in my cold storage wallet, and I'm not going to transfer it to WHITENET. Right? All I need is a few 100,000 coins. This thing is going to go high in the future. I'm holding this coin long term. Back when I was a financial advisor, broker, worked for a broker dealer, White Rock, biggest broker dealer in the world for on-chain assets. Uh, you know, I had to make sure I was saying, everything is not guaranteed. Everything is, I need to know what your goals are for your investment, right? And I need to let you know that these investments are going for, you have to look and see what's on the prospectus, right? I use prospectuses to make my sales, and I always show them the duration of the company when they started, when inception started, right? Duration is time. Inception means when they first started doing business, and you gotta look at the first year, 5th year, 10-year, and because pretty much people are holding for 10 years. People are holding stocks. They're buying early, and they're holding for the long term. That's why the earlier you get in these projects, the better. That's why I made sure that I got into the projects that I'm talking about on my channel during the past year and a half. I'm got my serious coins, and I'm getting in early, and I'm buying big bags. So I want you guys to do the same thing. Do the best you can. Please, let's be snipers. Like I told y'all, I might be sniping all these coins. You see the thing at 3 zeros, snipe it. 4 zeros, snipe it. Right? Like a cobra. Be fast, guys. I'm not playing right now. I'm glad y'all here. Like and subscribe, man. This is payback from last bull run. Digital banks. I'm not playing, guys. I'm serious. I'm getting biggest bags that I can. Hey, if I'm diversified with 5 to 10 coins, I'm happy. Okay, because I have big bags in there. So, I just want to just check. Well, not check, but I want to just go over. I was going through the X, Twitter X. Don't forget, real quick, built-in compliance. Stake your white rock for WHITENET. Don't forget, guys. I gotta go through this one more time with y'all, man, so y'all know. Where's that? Where is that? Next generation blockchain. 200,000 plus transactions per second. 100% tokens community owned. Built-in compliance. Let's go. White rock. Don't listen to the FUD, guys. So I was just looking down, trying to find some new stuff going on, and it says real world asset watch list, a brokerage that runs on the blockchain and is fully licensed. This is the kind of stuff that makes real world assets hard to ignore. Then they got on the bottom, White Rock. White Rock is the world's first on-chain regulated brokerage powered by our FSCA license. We are a licensed brokerage operating on blockchain rails, which is why our pricing beats everyone else. This is what regulated DeFi looks like. It says a breakthrough for the entire industry. Our brokerage license connects crypto directly to the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and other global exchanges. Why wouldn't you want to get... Here's a nice read. I'm going to read this right here. I may make a video on this read, so I'll let you guys know on that. Some news that I didn't see. Alright, so we'll be doing more in depth with this. And what's the FSCA license? If you guys know what it is, please hit the comments below. I will be looking it up. I was a financial advisor, broker, all that good stuff. We needed licenses to sell, right? I have passed 2 exams for the license. White Rock is a broker dealer. They need to be licensed. They got to be regulated. They got to be in compliant. Every year they got to be in compliant, right? They got to be up to date. It's no joke. So let me see. So that's big news, guys. So right here, I want to do this. I think this is like a scammer, but I don't know if it's true. I'm not gonna say the name, but the person right here, it says, "Where's the proof, right, of what I'm talking about right here? Where's the proof? Where's the information about Premier League team sponsoring? There is no sponsoring right. Fake news. When will we launch WHITENET? It will never launch. As soon as possible, swap white to WHITENET token. They are no longer able to trade them. Why don't you answer any questions in your live streams? The last 3 live streams were only to make you community to swap white to WHITENET tokens. This is absolutely not serious." Now, their English is really bad. Scammer. Okay? Don't listen to nothing people say. Whatever Max G is telling you, that's what's going on, okay? He didn't say nothing about the Premier League yet. Just don't even think about it. He ain't say anything about sending your coins yet. He said just swap them over, okay? Because when they drop, we will be first. We will be the accredited investors, right? We are the ones that got the tokens early, okay? So this person is wrong. So watch out for the fake news, guys. Charlie, digital, thank you. Alright, sorry guys, my son. So it's not true. It's not true. What's going on with the information? You guys are lying. You ain't telling me anything. We just need to get the WHITENET tokens now. Okay? I wouldn't care. I'm holding regardless. I don't want to sell anything. So all this stuff is like we don't even know if it's real news or anything. So I wouldn't sweat what these Twitter X people was talking about. Right, we're going straight from the to the White Rock page to see what's the real news, and if it's true, we'll go hear from Max G, our main man. So White Rock is an on-chain brokerage for tokenized equities and bonds. Okay, guys, powered by White. Don't forget that. Bonds. Bonds are big. Bonds keep America afloat. Okay. If the bonds go, America goes. White Rock is bringing on-chain bonds and equities, digitalized, on-chain in their brokerage, licensed. Okay, I used to walk around with a license, and I could sell to anybody and make money off of it, right? And make residual income. That's a serious license that they have, and no one has it. We are the only ones in the industry that has the FSCA license. So let's see how much our white net will be. I want to do some math, okay? So he said we gotta catch up to White Rock. White Rock was at $1 billion when he was saying that. So let's do the math. Right? We got billion tokens. We got billion market cap. Sorry. Divided by. This is what I'm holding. I don't want to sell none of my White Rock tokens unless I'm getting white net for it. Because if there wasn't a white net token, I would be holding my White Rock, right? Hey, little girl. My little cat. She's so cute. So, billion market cap. That's where White Rock was. We're going to divide that by the white net's market cap of 34 128 591, right? Times the price of white net, and that is 0.1234733. Okay, boom. That's that right there. B if we hit $1 billion in market cap. That's just at $1 billion. That's not even over it a little bit. So whatever, how much white net you have. Sorry guys, my calculator didn't show in the stream, so I'm just gonna do it for you manually on my phone. So we got $1 billion in market cap. $34 billion is white net's market cap right now. We divide that, right? And then you times the price of white net right now. That's 4073. Okay. It comes out to 0.002147. Okay. This is how you can try to like estimate what the price will be and how much money you make in crypto. And then you're gonna times that. So you have 15 million in white net. That will be $32,000 if it hits $1 billion. That's just having 15 million of white net. That's probably like 500,000 worth of white net, straight up. Something like that. Not financial advice. Do your own research on that one. But let's do the price again. 00214 times. Let's say you have 40 million. Some people have more. You have $85,000 with 40 million white net in that area. Okay. Let's do times. You say you have 10 million white net. That's 21,000 right there. 21.4. So it pays just to get in early, guys. Cause that's the bottomest prices. You have this at the bottom prices. I don't think you can get this lower than this. And that's with 50,000. You make $100,000 with $50,000 with 50,000 of white net. That's 100,000 right there. And the white net token just dropped, and we was early. This is why I'm holding, because I did the math. In this little area, this is what I'm thinking is going to be. So just guys, be prepared and get ready. WHITENET is possible. Let's say you have minimum 0.002 times. Let's say you have 10 million WHITENET. That's good. You're before everybody. $20,000, and they got to $1 billion pretty fast on White Rock. Right? Let me see. So this is White Rock's price. So May 25th, sorry, May 27th, first. Like 4 days, it got to $1 billion in market cap. Like 4 days. Let's say we start from here. Say you're earliest investor, the earliest. Is this white? Okay, this is white. I'm sorry. I'm looking. It's looking like my Onyx coin, and we'll have an Onyx coin, blue. So let's say we started. Say you got in around this time, February 18th. You almost did it right there. Hey, damn cat busting the door. All right, so you have February 23rd. To June 1st. So February 23rd, so let's say March, April, May, June. 3 months, it hit $1 billion market cap. So 3 months, you running it up, making thousands. If you just switch your White Rock over to WHITENET now. When they drop, basically it's going to be just money growing, right? You're going to be printing money because all the exchanges are going to be buying billions of dollars worth of WHITENET. So just let you guys know how serious of getting your WHITENET is. We have more buys and sells right now of White Rock, but we have way more selling volume. The volume's going to WHITENET. They're buying it, but it's going to WHITENET. Volume's at 200,000. Liquidity's at 1.4 million. We're definitely in the danger zone, but we're just buying and selling. They're buying WHITENET. Be smart, guys. So let's get out of here real quick. I just want to talk to y'all. How y'all doing? How my WHITENET crew doing? Are y'all referring people to your link? You know, is you buying more? Because this is the time. Something's going on behind the scenes. What do y'all think's going on? Put it in below. Hit your boy Digital Banks up. So our red is getting on the 4 hours. We're going down, but it's getting light red. So maybe we're gonna get some strength later on tomorrow. We're still playing with that orange line. Still in a little downtrend still, but we may be curving back up. Let's see what happens. Cause we're still in the 4 hours at the oversold area. Nice buying area to buy. They're buying right now. The daily, we're still going down, so it's gonna be a bunch of buying at these levels. So I would say you should buy too. Not financial advice, nothing guaranteed. I can't say stuff is guaranteed in the financial world. Can't say it. I can get in trouble by the SEC. They can try to fine me a couple $100 just for saying that he said it was guaranteed. Charlie Banks says guaranteed I'll make $100,000 in 20 years if I do this. I can't say it's guaranteed, guys, and I'm not gonna tell you now. But when it does, when we go down here and flirt down here again, then we're gonna get overbought because all these selling here, they're buying and selling, and it's gonna go right back up. You gotta be ready. So I'm just trying to buy as much as I can and buy WHITENET, and then maybe once WHITENET drops, I can take the profits and put some back into White Rock, right? Because the coin White Rock is going to be, or token, or it's a coin. The coin's going to be definitely needed still for the protocol. And for the stock RSI, for the daily, we are bottom, oversold, and ready to go. So hey, you never know, guys. Stay patient. See what happens tomorrow. Um, I know what they're doing. They're buying. They're selling their white rock for WHITENET. Uh, Shout out to my crew who's referring everybody and their mama to White Rock. They don't know what White Rock is, but they may know what a White Rock is. But the investment White Rock, they gonna know soon because they slacking, right? So got some pending trades rewards right here. I'm not claiming nothing till I find out what's going on with this whole interface with the rewards claiming and all the commissions and stuff. But at about $1,000 right now. The price is low. No, I don't know what to do, but I'm just gonna be holding and doing what the smartest thing to do is get WHITENET at these lowest prices. These prices is way low, and Max G said it. He don't understand why it's so low because I'm telling you, they don't know yet. They'll know. Watch when WHITENET goes on the exchanges, and they said we have some top tier one exchanges that's ready to put WHITENET on there. Like they're already asking to put WHITENET. They're about to buy a boatload of WHITENET. You need WHITENET to do your trading, right, guys? You need your WHITENET to do the trading of the let me see. How does it send me here? You need your WHITENET to do the trading for for your right here, so you could use it for USDT. You can swap it for USDT, Ethereum. Right, here we go right here. Permissionless trading 24/7. The WHITENET powers all of this. Experience the true financial freedom by trading shares of companies, properties, or bonds anytime, anywhere. Our platform breaks down the barriers of traditional markets, empowering you to trade beyond market hours. No longer is this only limited to the big players, right? I hate with the stock market. They close. Why would you close? Right here, crypto never closes, right, guys? So fully on chain, guys. You need your WHITENET to power all this. Okay, check out the website. Do some more research. Use some urgency, guys, because this is serious. I used this when I sold to my clients. This right here, when I use this, instant sale, because nobody knows about this, right? This is kept in the dark for the banks and the institutions to make money off of us. We're not even the bank. The bank don't teach you this stuff. The banker's rule. People don't know about the banker's rule. So this is what the bank uses without us knowing. Okay? So you're like, wow, we can get all this money from everybody and we're going to invest it. We're going to make for 30, 40 years, we're going to make millions. They're using our money to make millions, guys. Think about it. Where are they getting all this interest on our money? They're taking our money and they're investing it into things like this. They're getting 10%. That's your regular base interest rate in the market. 10%. I told you I had a pamphlet, not a prospectus, but it was a big rock on it. It was American funds, big old thing, this big. I showed them all the good years, the bad years, and it still averaged to 10-12%. So the rich keep getting richer, poor stay poor. I'm gonna end this here. We are the accredited investors. We are buying in the private round right now. I will seize this opportunity and buy as many as we can because people are not talking about it. There's no big YouTubers talking about White Rock. They listen to all the FUD. So everybody's not hearing what they're doing behind the scenes because watch when Bitcoin start going up and everything, all the sentiment is going up and they have all their partnerships are, debuting on X and everything's just unfolding. This when they're gonna talk about it. And by that time we're already gonna have our WHITENET. We bought it at 407. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna leave it there. Stay prepared. Get your bags right. Get your WHITENET. I've been buying WHITENET all last night. All right. I'm trying to get over 50 million WHITENET. So can I do it before they shut it down? I don't know, guys. Y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all doing. This is a money game to me. Right. I told y'all I learned the money game years ago. And this is like a fun money game on chain for stocks and bonds and crypto. So Thank you for seeing y'all boys again and girls. Um, WHITENET fam, it's good seeing y'all. It's good seeing y'all. Hit my comments and showing me all the enthusiasm you have about this project, WHITENET and White Rock. I'm glad I'm not the only one, and nobody's talking about it. So we're gonna talk about it, and tell your friends and family. Tell them to buy a little bag of White Rock because it ain't going nowhere, and might as well hold this for the long term, right? But we're gonna make some profits on the way up, right? But I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for tuning in with your boy Digital Banks. Like and subscribe. All my links are below in the description. And then I'm gonna see y'all soon, man.